So you know antecedent, consequent of the ratio and all the basic things of the ratio. Now I am doing this sum. So if A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C equal to 4 is to 5. Now find A is to C first and second question is A is to B is to C. So first you have to write down A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. Next, same way B is to C, that means 4 is to 5. Now look at it. Here also B, here also B. B are same, but here is 3, here is 4. So the number is different. So try to make the same. So how will you make the same? Here is 4, but here is 3. So if you multiply all these by 4, 4 3 are 12, and by 3, 3 4 are 12. So 4 here, and here 3. 4 2s are 8. You have to multiply the both. 4 3s are 12. Now next, 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. And you got here B, 12 and 12, same. So now, here you see, here's 8 and here C 15. So therefore, write down first answer is A is to C. That means 8 is to 15. Next, A is to B is to C. Now look at the last one here 8. You have to write down for A 8, for B 12. And next C is 15. So these are your answer. So therefore A is to C is equal to, you got 8 upon 15, and A is to B is to C is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 15 answer. Now next question is, if thrice A equal to 4B equal to 6C. Now you have to find A is to B is to C. Now here what will you do? You have to separate it. First these two and second one these two. So write down clearly 3A equal to 4B. Now A cross multiplication, here this B will come down, you know this. So here is 4 and again cross multiplication, this 3 will come this side. So you have, now it becomes A is to B is equal to 4 is to 3. First you have to change in a ratio. So next one, these two. Okay, I will do it here. So 4B equal to 6C. So again same way, here is B, so write down B. This C will come down here, and this 6 here and here 4. If it is cancelable, you can cancel. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Now B upon C becomes 3 upon 2, and convert into ratio, B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2. Now here A is to B is equal to 4 is to 3, and B is to C is equal to 3 is to 2. So write down here A is to B equal to 4 is to 3, and again B is to C equal to 3 is to 2. Similarly, look at here. So B and B is here. Here is 3, here is 3. They are same. So no need to multiply, because actually you have to find these values same. So that's why these 3 and 3 are same. So don't change. So now you have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So you know A is 4 4, B is 3, and C is 2. So this is your answer question. So first you have to write down this. If 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y equal to 7 upon 3, you have to find x is to y. First step to copy this. So third question is, if 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y equal to 7 upon 3, find x is to y. So you have to copy this same 3x plus 5y upon 3x minus 5y equal to 7 upon 3. Now you have to cross multiply. So 7 3s are 21. Here is x, write down x. 7 5s are 35. Here is y, you have to write down. Now next one 3. 3 3s are 9 x. So plus 3 5s are 15 and this y have to write down. So you have to separate x and x, you have to keep in a left hand side and others in a right hand side. That means y portion. So 21x minus 9x equal to 15y minus becomes here plus. That means plus 35y. So you know 21 minus 9, it is 12x. 12 minus 9 is 2. So here 1. So equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5, 50y. So x upon y, this y x equal to 50y. Now this y you have by using the cross multiplication. So here is a numerator, now it becomes in a denominator. You have to change into the numerator. And same way this 12 now here. So 12. So now you have to only here cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So now actual answer is your x is to y is equal to 25 is to 6. So this is your answer.